Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Prosper credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.prosper.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Prosper. To log in and access your credit card, click on the login button at the top right hand corner and you'll be taken to the login page for Prosper. Enter your email associated with your Prosper account in the first text box that you see. Click on the continue button after you are done and on the next page, enter the 6-digit code sent to your email address associated with the account. Once you enter your code, you'll be able to click on the continue button. If you'd like to use a password instead to log in, click on use your password instead link and type in your correct password associated with your Prosper account. After filling it in, click continue to log in and access your credit card account for Prosper. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.